it's me again. I took my picture. That over there. And now we'll head back. Can you hear the water? Hear the cars, I suppose. I guess there has to be one problem in Paradise, otherwise it wouldn't be normal. Not nearly as high this time going through, since I smashed it all down the last time. See, look at that, we even got a path now. Two suns. I hear the cedar waxwings. That really high-pitched shrill thing. Oh, that one that flew over. That's a cedar waxwing, I believe. Steps seem farther apart today. There's the sign, Serenity Dippity Pond. There's a bird in there. Just okay, we'll go back this way. Instead of going back through the woods, we'll go on this side. If we can get through. Oops. Look at how big the alders are. They were this big when we moved here. Sure is pretty. I'm surprised at how dug out this all is here. Oh my gosh, I'm right on the edge of it. Our canoe was here last year for the whole winter, and it must have eroded around it. All the flooding. Whoa, back in the big tall grass. The rain must have flattened this. I think I'm going to go through here. There. That's better. Dark in the bush ahead. That's where I saw a bear once. But it doesn't look big enough to be a bear. Must be a stump. Oh, look, it's a stump with a squirrel on it. No, it's not. It's just a stump. Well, there we go. We have returned. This is Veery Grove. This is where the Veery lives. Okay, bye.